Alright, I got a good one for y'all. This is not an uncommon repair. We crawl up underneath this trailer, we can see that the leaf spring mount broke. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and plate the sides. I've said fish plate in the past, and oh my goodness, no. We're gonna call it a doubler plate from now on. Anyway, here we go.
One of the most important things about this whole process is getting this axle aligned this way. You want it to be back in the same exact spot as it was. If you're just doing a quick field repair and you're just welding this up just to get you home, it's pretty easy because you can just line up your crack, good to go. But if you're going to be repairing it properly, like when you get it back to the shop, you want to measure somewhere, solid point to solid point, so you know that you haven't moved when you put your new piece in. So let me go ahead and cut all this crap out and I'll show you. Alright, there we are, all cleaned up, set in place, ready to weld her in place. I went ahead and cleaned up because I'm going to be doing a doubler plate right here to try to reinforce this a little bit to avoid the crack out in the future. So let's get her burned in. Alright, we got her all burned in. What do you think about my little hanger downer there? Found a little patch of rust that I missed, and yeah, it doesn't like rust. Anyway, slightly proud of the surface, so I'm going to grind that flush and then put my doubler plate in. Alright, got our doubler in, and for all those keyboard welders out there, no, I didn't wrap my corners. Yes, this is a downhill weld. The whole point of this is to just strengthen this portion right here. I'm not worried about stress risers in the frame right here because this is a doubled frame, whereas about a foot back it's not. So I'm not worried about any kind of flexibility here, only right here. This is the main problem. Oop, that's a little warm. So yeah, let's put some structural paint on this thing and send it. So normally on a repair like this, I wouldn't even add this doubler. I replaced this whole spring hanger and it'd be sufficient. This was a specific customer request, so yeah, there's that. One other quick note, whenever you're welding on a frame, especially like this box section where you're not sure, always make sure there's not wires running through there, because if you burn this, it gets nice and hot, those wires are gonna hate you. So always double check where your wires are. I'm doing the front ones as well. I'm doing all 4 main eyes with the doublers. So double check for wires before you burn. Just a thought. So it's a good thing when your paint bubbles and smokes, right? It means it's drying. Anyway, done!